after A-level and FSC, one is really confused at which path to choose for their higher educations. Today I will discuss how I choose RMI and physiotherapy. As you know that physiotherapy is a field which is totally dependent on movement sciences. Initially I was worried because there are different institutions and many options, and after FSC one is confused that what to choose and what to not. I set my parameters on 3 questions. One was the institutions, its faculty, and how wide its extracurricular activities are, and also its alumni network. If you talk about the infrastructure of RMI, it's well equipped with labs. When I searched out about physiotherapy, I found it really fascinating, and it was totally related to my field and my interest, and that's really I wanted to do for my higher educations. But there was one particular thing that I was worried about, that many hospitals or institutions do not have the connected facilities for hands-on practice. But in RMI, we have this facility available with different wards. Over my 5 years, within every year, we have keen exposure in different wards, because physiotherapy is not just relies on theory, but totally a proper timing with their patients and hands-on practice to make you a skilled and the best physiotherapist.